O'Brien Heating and Air Conditioning is a locally owned and operated business established in 1981 to provide a complete range of heating and air services for the Wilmington, North Carolina area. Our highly trained and versatile technicians can expertly handle the most complex heating or air conditioning repair tasks and advise you on the benefits of regular maintenance. Our sales associates can help you select the most efficient and cost-effective system for your home. Whether you need HVAC maintenance, a new AC system, or a water furnace geothermal heating system, O'Brien Service Company can meet your needs. Call today. O'Brien Heating and Air Conditioning, 910-799-6611.